Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn how to add or subtract integers. Okay, so let us start with addition of integers first. Okay, addition of integers, let us start with same signs specifically, and then we will learn how to add integers with different signs. Okay, later. So now the first question, 2 plus 3 is 5. Simple? Yeah, both have positive signs. 2 plus 3 both have positive sign. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Very easy. Another one. 7 plus 4 both have positive signs. 7 plus 4 is 11. So answer is 11. Another one. 11 plus 5 both are positive signs. Same signs. 11 plus 5 is 16. So answer is 16. Now minus 3 plus minus 4. These both integers have same signs, minus sign and minus sign here, and we are going to add these integers with minus signs. Okay, same signs. So minus 3 plus minus 4 is minus 7. Okay, same signs, we keep the sign and we just add. So minus 3 and minus 4 is minus 7. 3 plus 4 is 7 and we put minus sign. Okay, minus 7 plus minus 4 both have same signs, and that is negative sign, minus sign. Okay, and we are going to add, and both have negative signs. So 7 plus 4 is 11, but we put minus sign. Both have minus sign. Okay, so minus 7 plus minus 4 is minus 11. Here 7 plus 4 both have positive signs, so answer is plus 11. Here both have negative signs, so answer is minus 11. Okay, now another one. Minus 2 plus minus 3 both have negative sign and we are adding them, so we just add and put minus sign, negative sign. Minus 2 plus minus 3 is minus 5. Okay, here 2 plus 3 is 5, both are positive. Here minus 2 plus minus 3, answer is minus 5. Okay, now another one. Minus 11 plus minus 5 both have negative sign, we are just adding, and then we put minus sign. So minus 11 plus minus 5 is minus 16. Here 11 plus 5 both positive, answer is 16. Here minus 11 plus minus 5, answer is minus 16. 9 plus 3, answer is 12. Both are positive. Okay, so addition of integers with same signs, you have to keep the sign and just add. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. We are keeping the sign. Here we are keeping the sign, both these numbers have same signs. We keep the sign. Minus 3 plus minus 4 is minus 7. We add and keep the sign as minus. Okay, now let us see another type of addition of integers. Okay, 2 plus minus 3 we are adding. Okay, but one has positive sign and other number has negative sign. So in this case what we do is that we just ignore this negative sign and we subtract. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and what we do is that put the sign of the bigger number. Okay, big. So it is minus 1. So 2 plus minus 3 is minus 1. Another example. Minus 5 plus 7. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. We subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. And we keep the sign of bigger number is 7. So answer is 2. Minus 11 plus 1. We subtract. Minus 11 plus 1. We subtract. And then we put the sign of bigger number, minus. So answer is minus 10. Okay, minus 12 plus 16 we subtract. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Okay, 16 minus 12 is 4, and we put the sign of bigger integer, that is 16 plus 8 plus minus 2. We subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6, but we keep the biggest number sign. Minus 5 plus 9. 9 minus 5 is 4, and we put the sign of bigger number. Okay, minus 6 plus 6, we subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. We don't have to put any sign. 0 has no positive or negative sign. Okay, next 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9, what we do? We put as 1. We keep the sign of bigger integer, that is plus. 12 plus minus 5, we subtract. 12 minus 5 is 7, and we put the sign of bigger number, 12. Okay, addition of integers. I hope you understood. Okay, now we will go for subtraction of integers. The subtraction is a little tricky but not very difficult. We will solve now subtraction of integers. We will see how to subtract integers now. Okay, 5 minus 3, 2. We subtract and put the sign of bigger number. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bigger number is 5. So we keep the sign. 3 minus 5. We subtract. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2. But we put the sign of bigger number. Bigger integer is 5. So we put here as minus 2. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Okay, now both are minus. Minus 5, minus 3. We add actually and put the sign of as minus. Minus 5, minus 3. We add. Both are minus. We add and put sign as minus. Okay, here as well, minus 3, minus 5. We add and put the sign as minus. Okay, now 5 minus minus 3. Okay, what we do is that we can open the bracket here. 5 minus minus 3. So when we open the bracket, it becomes 5 plus 3. Minus and minus becomes plus. Okay, so 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is 8. 5 minus minus 3 is 8. Here we open the bracket. It is 3 plus 5. Minus and minus becomes plus. 8. 3 minus minus 5 is 8. Here, minus 5 plus 3. 1 is minus, 1 is plus. We minus it and put the sign of bigger number. So it is minus 2. 5 minus 3 is minus 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and we put the sign of bigger number. Okay, minus. Here, open the bracket again because we have two signs in between. We just open the bracket. So it becomes minus 3 plus 5. Okay, 1 is plus and 1 is minus. So we just subtract and put the sign of bigger integer. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So whenever we have two signs, different signs, we subtract and put the sign of bigger number. Whenever there are two different signs here, you will see there are two different signs. Okay, so what we do? Whenever there are two signs, we just subtract and put the sign of bigger integer. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 because we put the sign of bigger number. Minus 5 and minus 3. Both are same signs. We add and put minus. Same signs. We add and put minus. Here we open the bracket. Okay, there are two signs in between. So we open the bracket. So it becomes 5 plus 3. Minus and minus becomes plus. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Here we open the bracket. Minus and minus becomes plus. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Here we open the bracket. It becomes minus 5 plus 3. Here After opening the bracket, we get 1 is minus and 1 is plus. We subtract and put the sign of bigger number. Next, minus 3 plus 5, because we open the bracket. Minus and minus becomes plus. Now two different signs, so we subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2 and put the sign of bigger number. Okay, now test yourself. Okay, take some time and you can test yourself. You can pause the video if you want to. The first one, 5 plus 4, easy, 9. Both positive, we put as 9. 10 minus 2, okay, we subtract. 10 minus 2, we subtract and put the sign of bigger number, 10. So answer is 8. Here we open the bracket, 7 plus minus 4. So what we do? We open the bracket. It is 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Or because it is addition, what we can do is we can subtract and put the sign of bigger number. Okay, so 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Here we open the bracket, minus 8. There are two signs here. We open, so it becomes minus 1. So minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9. Same signs we add and put the sign. Okay, minus sign. Here minus 5, we open the bracket, plus 1 is equal to minus 4. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Bigger number sign. Here minus 2 plus 5. We subtract it and put the sign of bigger number is 3. 5 minus 2 and we put bigger number sign. Okay. 7 minus 9. 9 minus 7 is 2 and we put the bigger number sign. Okay, minus. 4 plus minus 6. We open the bracket. 4 minus 6. We subtract and what we do? We write as minus 2. 6 minus 4 we do and put minus sign, bigger number sign. Hope you understood. Okay, so if you are not subscribed, please subscribe my video. Thank you.